Today on the Garden Fix, I'm going to show you how I edge my garden with a simple flat spade. Hi, and welcome to the Garden Fix. I'm Rob, and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. So today I'm going to show you how I do the dreaded edging that everybody hates to do every year in their yard. And I kind of have a quick method and a simple method, I think. It might be a little different than some of the people that you see, but not too much, but it works for me. So first off, you definitely need to have your spade. You need a rake, and you have to decide what you're going to do with your dirt. Now, there are some people who will take their dirt that they're digging, and they will spread it into the garden that they have. And I don't like to do that because I don't want to use dirt that has possible roots from the grass that we have. We have crabgrass throughout our yard here and there, and I don't want to take the chance of throwing that back in and then it'll be rooted in. So I'm going to get rid of it. So let me show you what I do, okay? So I'm just going to do this little section right here for you and show you what I do. Now, first off, you should always pick a great day to do this. And when I say a great day to do it, I mean like a day after it rains. So the ground is still somewhat moist. So your digging is a little easier. Please don't try to do this. And you probably know this already, but you don't want to get out there in the hot sun on a dry day and, swear every other word because you're having a hard time edging your yard. So if you do live in a dry area, maybe you take a hose and you dampen that area that you're going to dig. Let that moisture sink in, and then you can dig a little easier. So anyway, now there are some people who will mark their shovels, and they will draw a line or do something where it's about so they know they're going down about 4 or 5 inches at least, so they get down below the grass, the roots in the grass. So, but I'm just gonna keep an eye on that. I should be able to monitor how deep I'm going pretty easily. So what I'm going to do is I want to dig a straight edge down. And what I really do that I emphasize after I do this, okay, so I'm going to go down, but I'm not going to kick or do anything. Some people kick. My ground is it's clay, and kicking it's not going to do anything. So what I do is I like to lift this. Okay, now you can kick it now and get it off your shovel. That's fine. But so I'm going to go straight down, and I'm going to lift, get it off my shovel a little bit. And I'm not worried right now if it is too straight. I can really straighten it out later, but I do want to get that edge going. And again, straight in, lift, okay, and straight in, lift, and straight in and lift. Okay, now I'm going to take, before all the dirt is completely mixed in with the mulch, I'm going to take my rake, and you could have did this before as well, but I'm going to gently rake some of this mulch because I want to save some of this mulch, and rake it out of the way just a bit. It is still it is useful. Okay, so after that, now I'm just going to remove this brick right here. So what I'll do is I'll take my shovel and make sure I don't step on Kristen's irises. She'll kill me. All right, so what you might want to do here before you do this section is loosen it on the other side slightly, just going down real quick, loosen the other side just a little bit. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my shovel at a 45-degree angle, and just slide it through. Get rid of this dirt, slide it through, get rid of the dirt, and it should come up pretty easy now. Okay. Now, there we go. Now I can touch this up a little better if I want. If I think it's not deep enough, I can just do the same thing really quickly. Loosen that dirt up. And then once again, 45-degree angle. Just go right along that edge. Okay. And there you go. Pretty nice edge right there. And it really didn't take that long. And again, I'm going to come back. I'm going to rake this mulch back in, and probably add a little bit more new mulch and fill this section up. And that's it. And again, nice and straight. And leaving, when you, one more thing too, when you do lift, you are also getting about an inch or so of a groove in there. So you're not just slicing the roots, you're slicing those roots and an inch more of the roots heading into your garden if there are any in there. So I think it's a great technique, and try it out when you get a chance. So, and don't hurt your back. Okay, summarize everything here. Make sure you have your spade, a rake, and know what you're going to do with your dirt, whether you're going to keep it or whether or not you're going to move it somewhere else. You know, you can just pick the right day to do this. That's really important when the ground is agreeable, and you can get done with this in really no time, and it'll make you a lot happier throughout the year, knowing that the grass is kind of staying out of your yard. So hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for more videos, and subscribe if you haven't. And until then, I'll see you in the garden.